Hi everyone, how can we make donations more fun and more engaging for visitors when they are visiting our museums? There are some clever little ways to actually engage visitors and also make them have a bit of fun when donating. And I thought I would show you an example today from the University of Tartu in Estonia, where they have used their old university cathedral ruins as an example. You can still climb to the top of the towers and enjoy spectacular views over the city from there. But I thought they have used a very clever and funny way to actually get visitors to donate, and also a way of creating a little bit of participation. So please share your own examples of how can you make visitors donate. Just drop a coin somewhere or something. What can make them curious? What can make them feel like they are participating and engaging, and at the same time give a feeling of actually contributing to the existence of your museums?